Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Erin Condren Daily Petite Planner. I'm going to be planning for the week of June 15th through June 21st. And I'm going to do a quick flip through of the prior week so you can see what my planning style looks like. So this previous week was the Black Lives Matter Planner Challenge created by Queen's Fancy Plans and Katie Did Plans. I have information about that on my Instagram as well as my prior YouTube video, and I'll link it above so you'll be able to click on that if you're interested in seeing how I plan for that week. But the premise was to create a black and white spread, also having quotes from inspirational Black leaders, and to basically just support the movement within your planner. This week I did a spread for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I really like the way it turned out. I even like the way that the black ink on the page, because I normally just like to write in black ink, looks with the black and white and a little bit of gray detail. So it really turned out to be a very nice spread. This week, they've actually come up with a new challenge called the Stronger Together Challenge. I definitely recommend that you check out their page to get more information about it. But basically, it's showing unity between everyone in terms of racial equality. This week, I want to use the Squad Life Happy Planner sticker book in order to create this spread. I'm hoping that it will turn out to be reflective of unity and racial equality for everyone. So I may pull in some other sticker books just to kind of fill in what I don't have in this sticker book. And then I'll also be using my Planner Kate stickers, script stickers, as well as some of my icon stickers to fill in for steps and weight and the other things that I track in this planner. So let's jump right into it. So normally when I start my planning, I put my script stickers on first. So I'm going to do that for this spread. Start with my to-do stickers, which all of my script stickers, for the most part, I've purchased from Planner Kate. I did recently purchase some stickers from a few different sticker shops that I've been following or people that I've been following online. I will do hauls when those arrive, and I may start switching out some of my script stickers for others that I recently purchased. The to-do stickers I normally put right above my bullet section because I keep a running weekly to-do list of everything that needs to get done. And some of these will include regular daily habits that I'm trying to make sure continue to be consistent. And then others are specific to that day or just something that pops up during that day that I realize I need to get done during the week. That is my to-do section. And I have one more for Friday. I don't keep a to-do section for the weekend. I leave it more open-ended. And these bullets here can end up being events or things that I want to get done, or whatever pops up during the weekend. Okay, so I have to-do completed. The next one is trying to get these sorted out properly. The next one should be my today stickers, which are here. And I put those as the first section for every day. And in my today section, I include any events or special errands that I know I need to complete on that particular day. So normally it's appointments, it's events, or it's like if I need to go grocery shopping, I may put an icon there. Going to the bank on my payday, those kind of things all end up in the today section. And I cannot believe that we are almost through June. It's so crazy. My daughter just graduated from high school this year, and so we were gearing up to get through this virtual graduation and all of that. And now I'm like, that is behind us. And it's just always something. It's just always something going on, and the year is going by. Despite everything going on around us, it's still going on so fast. I don't know if it feels that way for you, but it definitely feels like that for me. Let's see. Work is my third section. The middle sections for each day are a rotating list of sections for each week. I normally have to call on Monday because by the end of the weekend, there's always a laundry list of people that I need to call and catch up with, and this week will be no different. So we have to call on Mondays. And then to clean is Tuesday. And as I mentioned, these sections really cover the entire week. So this to call section will cover anyone that I need to make sure I call throughout the week. To clean is the same thing, anything that I need to clean throughout the week in the house. And then I also try to keep a to buy section. That's typically Wednesdays. And then I have my project section, which is generally Thursdays. And then last but not least is the don't forget section. I get to Friday, I'm like, I still need to get this done this week. And so I try to list those things there. Or if I need to carry them into the next week, I also put them there. And then the very last section is normally next week. And I like to put that on Sunday. Kind of a catch-all. So let me find a box real quick that I can use. Even though I'm not completely sure how I will decorate things for each of my days, I'm just going to put something here. It's kind of a to lead me in the direction that I want to go in terms of my weekend spread. This is a little out of sync with how I normally do things. I normally like to go day by day, but because I just want to make sure I remember to keep the teal as the theme for this day, I'm going to put that there. And then I'm also still looking for, it's funny, I am going way off track. But while it's in the forefront of my brain, let me just go ahead and roll with it. I totally believe in that. I did all of that just to find the right theme for my next week's section. But I really do like that, so I'm going to leave that way. And then I also can include some bullets in this section. I've created a few bullets there in order to capture what I need to get done next week. So that is the start of that. I'm actually going to flip back to Monday, Tuesday because I really do like planning in order. I'm going to jump right into it. This is what I have come up with so far for my page. I really like it. It's not too cluttered. I feel like it's got the whole summer vibe, but still a lot of space to do some functional writing. I want to put in my scales as well as my steps so that I can track them throughout the week. So I'm going to use these cute blue sneakers in order to track my steps for the week. And then I also have my scales, and I'm going to use the blue ones for that also. And then now that I think about it, I also need to step back and see what events I have scheduled throughout the week, because I like to put boxes under today for those. For Monday, I know we have quite a bit going on. I'm going to include a few boxes for that day. So that is Monday, Tuesday for this week. Now I'm going to flip the page and start on Wednesday, Thursday. That is my plans for Wednesday, Thursday. Let me fill in with the scales. I'm just trying to see what colors will work best. So that is my spread for Wednesday, Thursday. It's kind of a tropical, beachy theme. I like it. And move on to the weekend. So I started out with kind of this ice cream theme for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I really do like that. I've got planner time, I've got me time, I've got next week, I've got today. I don't have anything specific for Friday, so I'm going to put my work from home sticker. That is my spread for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I hope this was a bit inspirational. I hope that you have enjoyed planning with me, and I look forward to our next time together. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!